Hi dear ones! Today I'm taking you to Dakhla, Morocco. This beautiful desert town lies at the Atlantic Ocean. I was blessed to stay for 2 weeks in this beautiful town to recuperate, to share, and to learn about desert culture. The most beautiful thing about traveling to me are the people, their habits, their customs, their surroundings. And the desert is a real thing. The desert is so vast, and the ocean as well. I am forever grateful to my host, to her family, for their generosity, for their genuine care. When I met my host on the bus, we were traveling for 20 hours in the desert. The journey took 1 evening and 1 day to get to the outer side, to the border. I was excited and scared. I knew there was only one campsite where I could book a bed and no guest houses. When my host asked me to stay with her family, I was baffled and amazed. We had only been talking during one break, and she had been curious about my goals. I was upfront telling the ladies that I was going to cross borders. I was going south, and I had only started by leaving Morocco. And people had told me it was dangerous. There would be a train to go to Mauritania, but first I would see Dakhla. I had been on the bus for 3 days, and my foot had gotten burned in the hammam. But I was also under the weather, and my host took care of me. In Dakhla, I took time to recuperate, to take stock, and learn about desert culture. I am forever grateful for the joy of sharing, for God's guidance, to be able to pray with my host family, and to fast with them in Ramadan style. I'm also grateful I got to connect over our backgrounds and to be encouraged to continue the journey. Have you ever fasted in Ramadan style? Ramadan fasting is a wonderful opportunity to dedicate yourself to prayer, to God and nature. Ramadan fasting is special because you are neither eating or drinking. I recommend when you fast to spend time outside so you can take in sunshine and fresh air, and they will nourish you. Dakhla offered me abundant sunshine and ocean air. Thank you, Jesus, for this wonderful town and the people of Dakhla. If you are curious if fasting can help you, if you are done being overwhelmed I've got you. Fasting has helped me gain clarity. It has helped me process emotions and release many limited beliefs. If this hits home, let's connect on Patreon or Instagram because I love connecting to my viewers. There is also a free worksheet that prepares you for your first fast. Comment free or go to the comment section for the link. With bold love, Anna.